Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this Sofia the First Amulet and Juice Vanity Play-Doh set. Let's see what comes in this box. Three cans of Play-Doh, sparkling pink, sparkling purple, and another pink. Parts for the vanity. This is the base. And here's the mirror. Now we're going to assemble the vanity. So this is the only thing you have to assemble. And it's done. With this set, you can make a sparkling tiara for you. Here's where you're gonna place the sparkling Play-Doh. One ring. And you can make a really nice jewel to put in here. You can also make your very own amulet. This is the mold. And this is your little necklace. So adorable. Then you can make a little bracelet. Well, time to start molding. First, we're gonna make this crown sparkle. It looks really adorable. Right here is where you can keep it safe. In the vanity, we can make jewels with the shape of Mia, Clover, and the squirrel. Mia. Clover and the squirrel. You can wear any of these three jewels in your ring. Let's make this amulet sparkle. And it's done! See how easy it was to make? Let's take a closer look at this amulet mold. Wow, looks perfect! Our very own amulet. Now we're gonna decorate the bracelet. First, a little heart. And now 2 flowers. One. And 2. And your bracelet is ready to be used. Since we're talking about Play-Doh, I think it's a perfect time to give the Sofia a sparkling Play-Doh dress. Let's make this dress with pink sparkling Play-Doh. And that's it, Sophia's new dress is done. And it looks absolutely beautiful. I think she needs a little crown. Let's make her one with purple Play-Doh. And now she's ready for the ball. Oh, there's just one little thing missing. A handbag. Now she's ready. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Sofia the First right here on Disney Collector.